First, choosing a brokerage. Think of a brokerage as your gateway to the investment world. It's the platform where you'll buy and sell your investments, and the right one can make your investing journey smoother. Now, there's a vast array of brokerages out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. There are traditional brokerages which offer personalized advice and full-service options. On the other hand, there are online platforms which give you the tools to manage your investments on your own. Each type comes with its own set of features and fees. Key factors to consider when choosing your brokerage are fees, ease of use, customer support, and available resources. Fees are crucial as they can eat into your returns. Ease of use is important for a smooth experience. Good customer support can help you navigate any bumps along the road, and resources such as educational materials can equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. For beginners, we often recommend starting with a user-friendly online brokerage. They usually offer lower fees and intuitive platforms, making them an excellent place to start your investing journey. Step 2, setting up your account. This process is generally straightforward. You're going to need some personal information handy. This typically includes your identification, such as a driver's license or passport, as well as your social security number. The brokerage will also ask for your employment information and financial details. Remember, this information is essential to ensure your account is secure and complies with regulations. Once you've filled out your personal information, you'll choose the type of account you want to open. There are several types to consider, such as individual or joint accounts, retirement accounts, and education savings accounts. However, if you're just starting out, you might want to go for a standard taxable account. This is a common choice for beginners as it offers flexibility and ease of use. It allows you to deposit and withdraw funds without restrictions, unlike some other account types. A standard taxable account is a common choice for beginners. Now, understanding your investment options. When you peek through the window of your brokerage account, you'll see a variety of investment choices waving back at you. These can range from individual stocks to mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, and even options and futures for the more adventurous. Let's start with individual stocks. These are simply shares in a specific company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a tiny piece of that company and its future profits. If the company does well, so do you. If it doesn't, well, your investment might take a hit. Next, we have mutual funds. These are investment vehicles that pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They're managed by professional fund managers who make the investment decisions. Then there's ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These are similar to mutual funds but trade on an exchange like a stock. They offer the diversification of mutual funds with the flexibility of individual stocks. For beginners, ETFs or mutual funds can be a great start as they offer built-in diversification. Next up, making your first deposit. This is a momentous step in your investment journey where you're putting your hard-earned money into action. The first thing to do is decide on the amount you're comfortable investing. This should be an amount that, even if lost, won't disrupt your daily life or long-term financial stability. Once you've settled on that, it's time to transfer this money to your brokerage account. This process is typically straightforward. Most brokerages allow for direct bank transfers, which can be done online. You'll need to navigate to the deposit or transfer option on your brokerage platform. Input the amount you want to transfer and follow the prompts. It's as simple as that. Now, while we're all excited about the prospect of growing our wealth, a fundamental rule of investing is to never become complacent about potential risks. Remember, only invest money you can afford to lose. Before you invest, do your research. It's crucial to get familiar with your prospective investments. If you're contemplating stocks, get to know the company behind them. What do they do? How have they performed over the past 5 years? Are they profitable? For those considering funds, dig into what's inside. Are the holdings diverse? What sectors does it cover? And don't forget about the expense ratio. This is a fee that can eat into your returns over time. Now, you might be thinking this sounds like a lot of work. And it can be, but here's the good news. Most brokerages offer educational resources to help you navigate these questions. They provide tools for fundamental analysis, detailed fund information, and more. Make the most of these resources. They're there to help you make informed decisions. In your research, you'll likely come across historical performance data. While it's useful to see how an investment has done in the past, it's important to keep in mind that past performance is not a guarantee of future results. History is a guide, not a fortune teller. So do your homework, but remember to look forward, not just backward. Ready to invest? This is the thrilling part where we turn theory into action. Imagine yourself on your brokerage platform, your chosen investment right there on the screen. You're about to become part owner of a company or holder of a fund. Feels exciting, doesn't it? Here's what you do. Navigate to the page of your chosen investment. Look for a button or link that says buy or trade. Click on it. A new window will open, asking you to specify how many shares you want to buy or the amount of money you want to invest. Take a moment here, double-check everything. Are you buying the right investment? Is the number of shares correct? Is the investment amount within your budget? Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm your purchase. And just like that, you've done it. Congratulations, you've made your first investment. You've just taken a big step towards your financial future. Indeed, investing is akin to embarking on a long-term voyage. It's not just about reaching your destination, but also about the journey itself. It's about staying informed, continuously learning, and growing your knowledge base. It's about being proactive, not reactive, and making smart, informed decisions. And remember, there are no silly questions when it comes to investing. The only silly question is the one that isn't asked. So don't hesitate to ask, learn, and grow. Thanks for joining us on Budgets and Beyond. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more investment tips and tricks. Until next time, happy investing!